Today we have an AC problem where the AC isn't cooling efficiently. So how do you check your AC system? First, we make sure that all the gauges are in the correct position. We turn it on and recirculate, and the AC is on. Next, we come and check to see if the compressor is coming on, which on this vehicle it's way down the bottom, and there is a clutch on the end that turns off and on, letting us know that we have power to the compressor. If you're not getting power to the compressor from the switch when you turn it on, then it could be an issue inside of your fuse panel, which in this case is right here. And you would look for, typically there's a relay and a fuse that goes to your AC clutch. So if it's not coming on, go to your owner's manual or look online to find out where those relays and fuses are. And if you have a similar, let's just say for instance this one goes to the AC clutch, this one goes to another system, swap these out and see if your clutch comes on. If your clutch does come on, well then you know that it's a bad relay. It's a simple fix, you just get another relay. If that doesn't, then you check your fuses as well. Use a voltmeter, and I also have a discussion about that, how to check fuses and relays in another section, but suffice to say, here the compressor is coming on. So now we look, well, let's check the pressures. You want to get one of these manifold gauges connected to the high side and low side. High side is red, low side is blue, and you want to make sure this is shut. These are shut because you don't want to be letting gas refrigerants into the ozone. So, well, what is a good pressure? You can look online and there's different pressures, but typically, and now I'm down in the Houston area, so typically a good low side pressure should be around anywhere from 35 to 45 on this gauge, which that's good. But then we look at the high side. The high side is only putting out 75 to 80. Typically it should be at least 200 to 250. Some systems, you know, can go as far as 275, but if it goes too far, or if it's too low, if it's not within this range, then something's wrong with the compressor. It could also be a blockage in the line somewhere. It can be a blocked accumulator, anything, but needless to say, this is not good pressure. Let's see if I put the idle higher, what that does, if it affects the pressure. So while I'm driving, when I have the idle up, it's going up some, but then it's dropping. So there's definitely an issue with the compressor. So I still get cold air. I'm getting cold air, but not as cold as it can be and not efficient. So if it was right now, it's like 64 degrees outside. If it was 100 degrees, this thing wouldn't be cooling efficiently. So we need to change the compressor and evacuate and recharge the system, which I'll also talk about in another section. Thanks, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask and subscribe to my channel. This is All Around Auto Tech signing out.